Investors and traders, welcome to the channel. We'll be taking a look at the key US stocks that we have been following. This one is going to be a short video, as I done a video yesterday. This is just to cover or recap quickly what happened today, because the stock market did something very interesting at the close today. And this weekend, watch out for a longer video on the US stock market, the broader indices that we follow, because I'll be doing some detailed analysis of that. Also, I will be doing a more detailed analysis of the stocks that we follow over the weekend. We'll take a look at the longer term charts on the weekly basis and in some cases even the monthly basis. Okay, so what we are looking at the daily chart of Tesla, and here for a number of weeks we have been mentioning the 2010 level. And yesterday's video we had mentioned a pattern formation that we were watching for, and that is that ABCD pattern, the price coming around the 185, and this is the second day that this the price has held there. So this is looking good for the stock. Of course, going below this would mean the lower prices could follow up with the next 38.2% Fibonacci retracement coming around 173, and we of course have this open gap here which at some point will get filled. But as long as this level is actually supported, there is a very good chance that the price will tackle the 2010 level and perhaps even break that, and we'll watch that for two consecutive daily closes above that level. Would mean that that level is finally broken in our opinion, and price is ready to move higher. So this price action today is actually good in Tesla, guys. Okay, so very quickly we'll take a look at the next one, which is the Microsoft. So again, in yesterday's video we mentioned this box shaded area to watch for, and we mentioned that price is likely to trade into that, and this is exactly what has happened. So this zone by coming into this region from the channel, which at one time was the repellent zone, acted more as a propellant zone, and it looks like the Microsoft is looking good from a price action perspective with its good close today. Let's take a look at Apple. Oops. Okay, so Apple retraced right into the support area, which we had mentioned between 143 to 145 as the possible support area. The lowest it went down was to $143.93. So, and then it has sprung up from this zone. And the interesting thing is that let's take a look at this. Here, it did not close above this one, but it came very close. A very strong close today. The candle is right up to its top. Looks like the momentum might just carry on, and what we're looking at for the resistance is that it needs to take out the level of the highs of 151.30. Even if it does it by 1 cent, that means that this level is broken down, and that's like a change in structure, and that could open up the higher prices to $156 per share level, and then we could have even further targets where it could try to attempt 165, which will be 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. We'll take a deeper look over the weekend. I'll go through some to the weekly charts, and we'll look at the key cycles that are operating in the Apple stock. So keep on watch out for that over this weekend. Let's take a look at the Amazon. All right, folks, so look at Amazon. This one has been a difficult one to navigate, and what might have done is it has just come and closed this gap. So the price actually went into this gap, and here today it has got a very good candle close, bullish candle above the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So we like to follow these ABCD patterns. There is a chance that this one is actually also moving in an ABCD, and we could have further prices higher, but we'll take a deeper dive over the weekend. Let's take a look at now our stock Meta. Oh wow, so Meta is also very very good close. In fact, it gapped up higher. Looks like we might get to the $200 per share level, which we had been watching for quite some time. We are also going to add one more stock to our list, that is Roblox. So Roblox is a game which is very close to what the metaverse could actually be like. Some people really enjoy playing that. So this is what we are watching for now in this Roblox. What it appears to be the case is that the stock has gone through a lot of sideways action, perhaps even accumulation. And what we have this formation in this green channel here, it looks like more like a bear flag, and it appears that the price actually tried to break out of this range and then move back into it. And this channel now, which once was a repellent zone, is more acting like a propellant. And the price over the last 2 days has closed higher. And it might be the case that this stock is moving in this ABCD formation higher, which could actually give us a target of 57.72. Again, we'll take a deeper dive over the weekend. So this is what we are watching for in these stocks. A shorter video just for today, just to recap the price action for today. And watch out for the deeper dive over this weekend for these key stocks that we follow, and also for the major stock indices, because the stock market has done something very interesting right at the close. So stay tuned. If you like our analysis and how we look at the market, please do subscribe to the channel. Good luck and good trading. Bye.